your girl Nit, and I'm back with another banger. Alright, y'all, before we get into this video, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell whenever you're new. Welcome to the React Squad. I'm gonna give my shout outs real quick to Jamara Cars, Abiz Life with Megan, TikTok, and They Know Ari. What's up, y'all? Let's get straight into this video. Second Ratchet on parents. Alright, y'all. So let's get into it. See what this about.
When he come to the front of the class to introduce ourselves. Okay. I introduced myself. I said, I'm Kim. I'm from that red.
I like that little intro. It's so hard.
Since she did it, so right now she's sitting down on the table. So we finna get up.
You got a lot of homework?
Yeah, they gave me a lot of homework. I don't know what's wrong with them.
You gotta probably catch up.
They should have never gave me all this. I don't know who they think I am gonna do all this work. Exactly.
Really, nigga?
Girl.
Who knows they think I am gonna do all that work?
Y'all gonna do it?
What's up, cuz?
What's wrong with you? Get off the counter.
Mom, you know what we did today?
Do y'all like your school?
Yeah, but that teacher was like, hey. I was like, what's up,
Y'all see how she look.
She got mad at me though. Right there, like, hey, how y'all doing? She got mad. So I went to the front of the class. I was like, what's up, y'all? My name's Kim. I'm from that red.
Oh my, no, you didn't.
No.
Yeah, introduce yourself to the cycle. Next thing you know, I'll lay myself like.
Really, nigga?
And I was just talking. I was like, wrap me up. You know, your lip up. Suck it up.
I know y'all lying.
Y'all embarrassing y'all mama like that.
All you need to launch a culinary empire. A Squarespace.
Y'all, they trying to introduce something. Introduce something.
Yo, have y'all ever been in a situation when y'all tried to like purposely embarrass y'all parents like on real life? Like, did y'all really try to embarrass y'all parents? Because there been times when I did try to embarrass my mother because she done embarrassed me before and I had to get her with that get back. You know what I'm saying? But leave it down in the comments below. I might give y'all a little backstory on that. I don't know yet.
Yeah, be alright.
Look, she keep on hopping up on that counter though.
You said you from Baton Rouge, right?
I said I'm from that rack.
Damn it, they don't know it. You did not do this.
I told them I'm from that rack, right? What's wrong with that? They said, what's that rack? I said, be off. Exactly, nothing is wrong with that.
You didn't do that.
Yes, I did.
You didn't embarrass me like that.
Nothing is wrong with that. They asked me what college I want to go to. I said, I ain't going to no college.
First of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
That's a lie.
They looked at me and said, wow. I said, yep. Then she passed out my face and said, hold on. Who finna do this? Right, Mom. They giving us work. Right. Like, who finna do
Okay, when y'all was in Baton Rouge, they gave y'all work too.
No, we was sitting there first. Yeah.
Okay, y'all gotta remember y'all late, so y'all gotta catch up.
But we can catch up on another day. They giving us work. I'm like, hold on, you tripping. We could sit here and chill. Slide there, right?
Girl, what do you expect?
We could sit and chill. So first they getting booty. You're getting back. Cause nah, we ain't finna go there.
So
Then she tried to get small with me. I told her about her stuff.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Yeah.
I know you wasn't being disrespectful.
No, I was. She was playing with me too much. She told me, get out my phone.
Yo, these one of them pranks that's gonna get that ad wet, okay? This ain't no acting ratchet. This ain't no ratchet acting prank. This that I'm playing with you and I'm liable to get my A wet, but I pray to God that you don't do that, mama. I pray to God. Yo, what's wrong with them?
What? Let me tell y'all something. Y'all didn't even act like that in Baton Rouge.
Come on, we get down here and they gonna tell us what we can't do and what we
They got
can
something to
do.
prove.
No, we're not gonna tolerate that. Right? We gonna tell y'all what y'all can do if y'all gonna tell us what we can do.
Really, nigga?
What?
Equal,
Whatever.
equivalent.
It's not.
It is.
It's not. Y'all need to go to school. That was the first day, first impression.
First
So
impression, I got that right impression. They knew who I was.
I know y'all better clear that when y'all get back to school.
Look, she is not playing with them.
They, she can't be talking stupid to me.
Girl.
I promise you. Nobody talk. These people totally different than me, or I know nobody was talking y'all crazy. They was nice when I talked to them.
Nah, you talk to them. Because you all parents. Exactly. They is going to change up with parents. Yeah, like parents in the conference. She said, they gonna do that. Everybody shut up. You know they
Why is she lying on her teacher like that?
Look, Mom. Got a hunt just like that. Got a hunt just like that. Think I'm stupid, boy? You gotta be a fool. Just like that.
You gotta be.
What subject that's in?
English.
That's good. And you need to start talking to them like you know English. And stop
I
talking
know
crazy.
English. Man, they don't care.
Y'all act like y'all from here. Or don't do that. Don't embarrass
We don't
me
have
like
to
that.
change ourselves because we come to a new school.
True.
Yes.
Be who you
do.
are,
And then
boo.
you gotta change them 'cause y'all know
Period.
like that.
Say who? How you know how we act in 24 seconds?
Oh, yeah?
I ain't say that. Mara said that. Karen said that. It's just different down here. They gotta know who we is. They didn't have to, you know.
Where we came from.
Like in a house.
Where we came from. We ain't changing up for nobody. What do you mean? Period. I be seeing y'all in the comments too, commenting period, po. I be seeing y'all.
Wait a minute. I thought, listen.
Look, good. Let me demonstrate. I walk in the class. So I'm gonna say, you know.
Look, that mother is not feeling it.
God, loosen up. Hey, they doing too much. Like, they act like they can't talk. Exactly.
So y'all going to school acting
And
like
then,
ghetto children.
and then they gonna talk about some ghetto. Man, I go to the restroom. Like, I'm not mad. Can I go to the restroom?
Oh my God! Please don't go to that school.
I had that. It's I'm going to the bathroom. Yeah, kids
True.
let me get out of class. I'll go to that bathroom. And if she say
Y'all, I done had so many situations like that with my teacher try to tell me I couldn't go to the bathroom. Let me tell y'all something. I'm back here near. I said I'm going to the bathroom. No cat. I done had so many situations where I had to get up and walk out on my teacher because they did not want me to go to the bathroom, y'all. Like, how do you stop somebody from going to the bathroom? I had to go take a number 1, but I know some of y'all had to go take a number 2. I know y'all did. Don't be capping. Don't be capping in the comments.
like that, no.
Y'all had to take number 2.
May I go to the restroom?
Enough.
What's up?
I need y'all. No, Myra.
Myra pissing her off.
Y'all gonna make me cry for real, y'all.
They gotta know. Mama, it's a part of introduce first impression.
Exactly, and you don't
They
make
gotta
people
know
get
why
the wrong impression because y'all not hood, ghetto, or none of that. But y'all acting like that.
But they know we can get like that.
Hey.
So that means they don't know my test. They don't
left her hanging. But for real, y'all, don't be in school acting like that. It's
Sorry,
not
guys,
cool,
I
man.
can't come to lunch. I blew on my...
Now, if you gotta go take a number 2, can't nobody stop you from going to the bathroom. But acting ratchet and stuff in class, y'all, it's not cool. Go there, get y'all education, learn what you're supposed to learn, and get out of there. And do something with your life. Be great. That's what we want to see at FamReacts. We want to see y'all be great. And we encourage nothing but success. So get y'all education. Be serious about it. And don't be acting ratchet in school.
Anyway, they gotta know we forget like that. Anytime, it can be like that. Anytime, Dora, it can be like that.
And any person call me because y'all want to act like that, I'm coming up there and act like I can act.
Told y'all. They gonna get that ad whip.
People gonna feel bad impression from you, but see one for what?
Y'all done gave them one. If y'all went there acting like that, y'all done gave them the wrong impression.
No, we're stitching them. They felt like to come to the front of the class to introduce ourselves. Okay. I introduced myself. I said, I'm Kim. I'm from that red.
Girl.
I said, Ma, you don't understand.
I'm talking like that. First of all,
Stop talking like that. They asked, where are we from? What you gonna say? That rat.
no.
That rat. Alright. Don't get in trouble with your wife now. Alright, Turtle.
I asked them about school.
Alright, Turtle. She gonna make you go up in that show real quick. Don't play with her. She ain't playing, man. She ain't playing.
So what you saying is, now that you done moved to the suburbs, you ain't gonna put the wood on the map?
Uh-oh.
Who's still, you know what I'm saying? Rappers still represent their hoods when they
I'm talking about them at school.
Exactly.
So they
At school.
tell them where they from.
We from, they know we from that rat.
She don't need to go to school saying that. No. Don't say that no more. Don't say that no more.
They don't hear me.
Don't go to
They
school
need to
saying
know,
that no more.
them people need to know where they're going. If they visit Baton Rouge, they gonna know the lingo when they get
All
there.
those pictures out of they don't know where we came from. They came from
I mean,
Louisiana. Never been in that rat though. It's crazy.
So now, y'all go with this to get y'all teachers and y'all class to be throwing that park up.
yo. The fact that he is encouraging it.
How you know we not?
Stop playing with me, Mara.
We not. I'm just saying.
Okay, y'all going to a different school. Y'all get better education. It's more.
So I'm saying, when we
Girl got pissed for y'all at lunch.
Wait a minute. You're there, right.
Girl.
I understand that.
Yeah, that's ratchet. That's real ratchet, cuz.
She's good. She good.
Wait. Y'all do this.
No, mama. And who pays for what? Bring a salad with tomatoes on it every day. Who got time to fix it? Who eat mozzarella sticks every day?
I'm assuming Turtle in on a prank. I would hope so.
Why y'all acting like this, though? I ain't raised y'all like this, so don't act like this.
That rat lady look like this. They be in a
Cameron.
I'm just telling
You had to act like that, but Cameron, you know, dang on with her.
So you changed when you went to Episcopal?
Come on,
Yeah, Turtle went on a prank.
May I go to the restroom? Don't fucking
What?
when you put
put a slap to the face.
Because we all in Baton Rouge, that's why.
Okay.
So you gotta tell them what one Baton Rouge.
Get down.
And then you know,
Get down.
you know, mama, they say, I'm saying, if I say I'm from Louisiana, they gonna be like, oh, what part, that rat?
If they from New Orleans, don't they say, oh, I'm from the city, you heard? Don't they do that?
They be like, I'm
they
from New
don't.
Orleans.
Well, what they say, I'm from New Orleans, Louisiana? No. I
No.
never heard a New Orleanian say that.
That's like when y'all ask us where we from and we say Albuquerque. That's where we from. Okay?
They always
Look
say
it
I'm from
up.
the city, third wall, something like that. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never heard nobody say that.
I know when y'all ass go back to school, y'all gonna turn that down.
Oh, snap.
And then I went to that front office and said, what bus I ride?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, what bus I
I
ride?
thought you was supposed to have
We
Camry.
didn't go to Episcopal, man.
Man, stop.
No, look, I was like, look, that lady told me to go to the front office. This today. I was like, okay, I was walking to the front office. I'm not going to do it. They didn't even say come in. Just went on in, mom. So then I said, they said, what you need, sweet? I said, what bus I ride? Exactly.
I feel like her mother believed her.
They had a go. They had a go. Our bus was late today. Yeah, we must up today. She said, well, bus late. She said, unfortunately, he can't make it. I said, he better make it.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
No,
I
you
did.
didn't.
Yes.
No, you
See,
didn't.
she don't believe Myra, but she believe Cam.
I'm just saying. They act like we not supposed to talk how we talk.
I say you're not supposed to talk how you talk. I say that.
We shouldn't have.
Because y'all need to go around people act like somebody gave y'all some home training.
We do.
No, not talking and acting like that.
We get our grades, don't you know that?
That's good. You better get them
All
grades.
that matter. Right. Grades is that's why we go to school, Mom. Why we go to school? Don't pressure on me. I don't care from you, not your favorite. I'm still gonna get my grades.
Okay, but don't just tone it down.
All the
Y'all ain't go to school acting like that.
I did.
Y'all ain't did nothing
I told them, Mom,
Y'all
what bus I ride.
Yeah, that's right.
And you bet what?
Turtle like, yeah, that's right, boy.
She came to the phone. Got that bus number up there. She be like, do y'all understand me? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. You know that.
Look.
Slap your.
Why
is she spazzing on Myra like that? I see who the favorite is.
Act like you got home training.
We do.
They just getting comfortable at the end of school.
And you not no help.
Exactly. Turtle, you about to catch one of these, boy.
Quiet.
Don't play with her.
Doing that, Mom.
I didn't say I didn't do anything, but y'all acting all ghetto. That's not y'all. Y'all
At all.
respectful children. Why would you go to school doing that?
It was us.
If y'all was in BR, them teachers wouldn't let y'all do that.
What, say you from that rack?
Yeah.
I'm
I'm saying they wouldn't let y'all act all retarded like y'all acting. I cannot believe that.
No, you know,
And shame.
You got stuff at school.
I wish Jay was at school.
I should have just said, and then,
Jay would have had y'all in check real quick. Y'all know he don't be playing. You acting crazy? You're punished. Don't come out your room. At all.
we in that range
Don't come
going to
out.
School, so they don't, but we introducing ourselves. So.
Do what you want. When they call me, I'ma do what I want.
If you know,
Period.
signs,
Period.
and then see him in the word, I want you to sleep.
Oh.
I'm just saying, I went to sleep.
You go to sleep on the
I
first
went to sleep too.
I'ma give your ass a pass because we got in late. But don't go to sleep in class no more. Do you hear me?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Y'all need to put this
What the
down.
deuce?
For real.
Go without. We did.
This little act that y'all got going on, cut it out. What What y'all trying to be, the ghetto twin?
We, you don't know now.
Myra, you be pushing me, girl. You thoroughbred.
What you said?
Whatever.
Is that season?
What?
See again. From the top, I finished it, Mom. Make it drop, make it drop.
I knew she was about to say that. From the top, make it drop.
Just cut up on their first day. Shame.
Cut it up.
Imagine the places we'll go. Together. Expedia.
Do y'all be cutting up on y'all first days of school? Like y'all got something to prove?
I ain't going to this school.
Went to teacher parents conference. I know them teachers like, I got to see who the mama is of these kids.
They were like, oh, they must be scared of you. They ain't never call you yet.
Ain't nobody scared of y'all.
They scared of us. You know I'm the big dog in that school.
Girl, go sit down.
Tomorrow, I start a full fight in the cafeteria.
Yeah, I know.
What's wrong with that? It's fun.
Get your ass put out of school and watch how fun it be around here.
Uh-oh.
I'm on the way.
I'm wrong. That's on you. Don't come back.
You better not.
Y'all embarrassed me. That's
We
what
not
y'all did.
embarrassed you. We
Y'all
didn't
really
embarrass you. We didn't.
Y'all don't even act like that. I don't know why you would go to a new school and want to do that, though. I'm just saying.
Why y'all boys first be like that, man?
Oh, y'all used to that free lunch. Kids pay for lunch.
That must got money.
Exactly. You've been fortunate enough to where you've been on the system not to have to pay for lunch. Everybody don't get that.
Gang, gang.
Everybody don't qualify.
Gang, gang.
So back at home, when people used to go to school for lunch, you know, that'll affect them. That'll hurt them.
And then, you know, we got black people in our school. They be like, that baby King Kim, yeah! You know, I had to say it. Yeah!
She is not
Well,
playing.
they was. They was. But I introduced myself, though. They know me now. Yeah. Until they know.
Really, nigga?
Y'all mother look like she wanna cry.
Don't get mad.
You gotta
What kind of prank?
Say it right now.
That y'all went to school?
We got y'all. When y'all did that answer prank, we did it back on y'all.
Yeah. Mission pass.
I
Respect.
know they did not.
No, we didn't act like that for real. I'm not even built. I'm not built like that. I can't do that.
Myra, you are not in the camera, but
I really thought that they went to school putting part-time on the map. So if you in that rack and you from that park, y'all already see they done put y'all on the map.
Anyways.
yo, I thought Turtle was in on a prank.
We got them good. We got my mama good because she felt embarrassed. Embarrassed for what? So we were embarrassed like that?
Yeah.
We would do that. We would. Well, as y'all said, we got my mama. Turtle was just.
I was with that, man. Putting your hood on the map. Putting your city on the map. I'm with all that. I support that. I didn't know they pissed me.
Turtle, you gonna get in trouble.
Like that. Like that. But y'all, that's the end of this video.
Alright, y'all, that was super late. That was funny. It made me want to do a prank on my mama. I want to do a prank on my mama. Yo, like this video and comment down below if you think I should do a prank on my mama. She might slap me. I don't know. But alright, yo, I'm about to get up out this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you are new, welcome to the React Squad. Until next vid. I'm out.